Hello my dear students, I hope you all are well at home. Myself Ekampreet Kaur and I am your English teacher. First of all, welcome to you to our YouTube channel. Students, as you are well aware with the thing that our topic is types of noun and our class is third. What we had done in our previous video, we had done noun means definition part of noun and two types of noun we had already completed in the previous video. Definition part, it could be a name of any person, place, things and animals. Person, place, things and animals. Right? Examples like Seema. She is Seema. Ludhiana. Ludhiana is a very crowded city. Chair. This is a chair. So these are the examples related with noun. And two types we had already done. Proper noun and common noun. What is proper noun? I am going to recall the things. It is used for particular person, place and things. As I am going to give my example. My name is Ekampreet Kaur. I am your English teacher. So the recognition of mine is the name. That my name is Ekampreet Kaur. So I am a particular person. Fine. Particular place as Ludhiana is a crowded city. Ludhiana is also a particular place, right? And common noun. What is common noun? It is used for general things. Like this is a chalk, this is a blackboard. Generally, we are using these things in the classroom. So these things are related with general things. So in common noun, we are using general names of the things. Fine. Two types we had already completed. We will start with the third one today. Collective noun, abstract noun and concrete noun. What is collective noun? It refers to a group or collections. When we are going to talk about more than one person, more than one thing, that is called collective noun. Examples, class. If more than one students are sitting in a room, that is called class of students. Bunch. If like more than one grapes are there, that is called bunch of grapes, means guchha. Galaxy, more than one star, that is called galaxy of stars. Fine. I have another example also, like see, keys in my hand. So it is called bunch of keys. More than one keys are there. So it is called bunch of keys. Another one, see the books. I have more than one books in my hand. So it is called collection of books. These were the examples related with collective noun. Second, abstract noun. It refers to ideas, concepts, emotions and feelings. Means it belongs to our thinking. Fine. Examples, honesty. Honesty is the best policy. We are using this generally. Success. Hard work is the key to success. Loyalty. Dog shows loyalty to their owners. So these examples are related with abstract noun. Next, concrete noun. It refers to actual things we can touch, we can feel, see, taste or hear. See, I can touch this green board or blackboard. Fine. I can touch it also. I can write over it also. I am speaking now. You are listening. This is also the example of concrete noun. You are writing something, right? So, these are examples related with the concrete noun. Touch. I can touch the blackboard as I told you earlier. I am speaking. You are listening. This is also a kind of concrete noun. And I can touch my skin or I can feel with my skin. This is also example of concrete noun. We can taste the things with our tongue. So this is also the example of concrete noun. I have another examples also, like seat. Please have a seat. If we are going to offer seat to someone. Oranges. I have some oranges in my bag. So these all are examples which are related with concrete noun. So my dear students, what we had done collectively, let me recall all the things again. We had done noun, its definition, two types in our previous video. Fine. In today's video, we had done three more types of noun: collective noun, abstract noun, and concrete noun. I hope you understand the topic. If still any doubt is there, you can write on the comment box. Till then, stay home, stay safe, be happy, obey your parents. Thank you, everyone.